Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to slay and do a seamless install without glue, without gel, without tape, or any of that. We're going to be using this WowAfrican 360 natural wave unit. It is amazing in all its splendor and glory, and y'all, it smells so nice. We do need to come up with a different word though for 2019, because slay, it's going to be old. But who's going to come up with it? Not me, because I only execute. That's my job. But this one comes with an elastic band, and I've shown you all several units from them that come this way. It's also detachable, which is a very, very good feature, because if you don't want to use the elastic band and you want to glue it down, you want to sew it down, that can get in the way. So it's good that you can detach it. So it comes with a pre-plucked hairline. It's done very well. This one is also bleached for you. So I decided not to even do the Sally Hansen method for this particular install. It wasn't even needed. This is what the back looks like. It is a 360, so there is lace all around the entire circumference of the unit. It also does come with baby hair. Now you will need to pluck it some in the back just to make sure it's a little more natural. There's baby hair on the front. They are a bit long, but you can trim those. But I'm not even going to use baby hair for this install, so don't even worry. So I'm just going to put some clips on the hair just to secure it while I'm cutting the lace in the front. This unit is truly a grab and go, as my husband says. So this one, we just literally have to cut off the lace and we can put it on and you can leave the house in like 2 seconds. But try to take your time when you're cutting the lace and try to get as close as possible to the hairline. You also need to do it in the back for this one. After you've done that, you can put on a stocking cap that's your scalp color, or you can go without one if your hair is braided. Just put that on and you'll be good. Also, depending on the size of your head, you may need to adjust the elastic band in the back, but mine was good on the first setting. Also, if you want to shift the part, you can do so, but I decided to go with the middle part for this particular hairstyle. So you can wear it down and also in a number of different styles. I'm going to demonstrate that for you all in a moment, but I do want to go over the specs. This particular unit is a Capsize medium. Mine is in length 18. It looks super natural. It has a pre-plucked hairline, as I shared earlier. The texture is natural wave. It's also at 180% density. It is Indian virgin hair and the lace color is light brown. So I'm just going to quickly show you all how I refined the look a bit by adding some mousse, and then we're going to get into the styling portion.
Girl, close your eyes, let that rhythm get into you. Don't try to fight it, there ain't nothing that you can do. Relax your mind, lay back and groove with mine. You gotta feel that beat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna rock with you all night, dance you into bed. I wanna rock with you all night. We're gonna rock the night away. Rock with you all night, dance you into bed. I wanna rock with you all night. We gonna rock the night away.
But the time is never stopping. Only gave the kid one option, go to school and get a job, but it's so common. All around me, they slaving for the bills, but I knew I wanted more and told my boys that we could make it to the hills. Living real, doing what I love, going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5, but I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the life, it's a memory, and I wanna know how to remember me. Either hate the kid for what I am, or love the boy for what I'm not. Right? Changes, but the game is never gonna change us. They never said it was painless, ain't no recipe to be famous, but I'ma take my time and I know it's worth it. Step by step climbing up the surface. Yeah, I'm never gonna fall, I'ma make it to the top, and that's for certain.
Underneath the darkness is life, reaching from a hard place for light. Sometimes the water is a little far away, and just say your roots get dry every day. Underneath the doubt is the mind, screaming, don't you ever stop this climb. Sometimes we grow in the strangest holes. Don't you know a rose is your final form? Lift your head up, lift your head up. If you want it, you gotta believe that it's already yours. Don't you know you're the key to the source? Just lift your head up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you got it right here. Yeah, yeah. Way up overhead is the sun, neighboring the moon and the stars. Been shining past a couple billion years time, and it powers up a universe of life. Don't you know up above your head you can fly, fly? Man, I couldn't find a limit in the sky. Sometimes we just don't know what we're capable of, and that's just before you rise and you shine for the world. Lift your head up, lift your head up. If you want it, you gotta believe that it's already yours. Don't you know you're the key to the source? Just lift your head up.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it and all the styles that I showed you all with this 360 unit from WowAfrican. Be sure to check the description box for the link to this unit. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Love y'all.